Yes, sir. I don't believe he told us what he pulled us over for yet, but there was an open White Claw can in the back, and he put her in cuffs and brought her back there. I believe it's Officer Padding. Although Sierra was saying about 30-ish minutes ago, she got a call from a sheriff saying that somebody called about this being a suspicious vehicle or something like that, and she was talking about she was gonna make a video on it because it was weird, kind of funny. Here we are, them just doing their job. It's okay. No worries, they're probably gonna have her blow to see if she's been drinking, which she hasn't. They're probably gonna have me blow to make sure I haven't been drinking, which I haven't. And then they'll probably let us off with a warning and probably tell us to go home because it is COVID, and I don't really know. I don't think you're supposed to be out right now. I'm not for sure, not 100% for sure, but I don't know. Ooh, retweet. Ooh, there's another cop pulling up.
Excuse me, sir. Do you mind stepping out real quick?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Unbuckle?
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
How are you tonight? You don't mind just going back here?
Fall, phone. Keep recording, just don't fall. Hey, Sierra.
Obviously, we have some stuff to talk about. Last night was the first time I have ever been pulled over in my entire life. Literally, my entire life of me driving, 21 years of age, permit 14 and 9 months. I have never, ever been pulled over. Not only did I get pulled over last night, the officer put me in handcuffs. Immediately. Yes, he was doing his job. It was mandatory. He has to do that. Let's make fun of the way that I say that word, mandatory. So, it was mandatory for him to put me in handcuffs, and driving around downtown, cop starts following us down the highway. We knew it was gonna happen, didn't know why I was getting pulled over. He eventually explained to me that I had a license plate bulb, light out, whatever. So I went and I got some more today. Yay. So that doesn't happen again, but as he was walking up to the vehicle, he saw the White Claw that I had in my back seat, which I'm not going to get into details about. Pulled me out of the car, put me in handcuffs, put me in his car. I was only in there for 20 minutes and it felt like a goddamn hour. Not fun at all. Well, the whole time, Caden's outside the car bullshitting with the other police officer, talking about his goddamn shoes. And, like, oh my gosh, was shaking like a dog. Shaking like a dog. I am not okay with confrontation at all, especially with men in uniform. Oh, I can't do it. Not a good thing for me. So, obviously, I have a court date. Packaging. Thanks, Caden. So that was basically it. I kind of try to piece together everything that happened. I'm not even sure if I explained that well enough to any of you. Like, at all. Did you get any of that? My mind is still blown. I have to appear in court. That's what it is. I gotta go to court. Thanks for watching. And if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that like button. I didn't do this for nothing. Like, I know this is a weird video for you guys. I don't normally do this, but story time. I hope you liked it. Click that subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications because there's a lot more where we're coming from. Hopefully not more of this, but obviously I will have to give you guys what happens in about a month when I go to court. Stay tuned for that. And if you haven't already, why don't you give this video a fat like, because I don't know what's gonna happen to me. Yeah, and I totally forgot about that phone call. Like, being pulled over was just top that, yeah. Way before I even got pulled over. Caden gets out of the car and I get a phone call from a no-caller ID. Now, his ex-girlfriend just tried to call him and popped up as a no-caller ID. So I just kind of figured she got my phone number and was trying to call me. So she wasn't. It was a man on the phone, and then told me he was a deputy sheriff, actually from Jenison. Asking me if I've been to a certain park around the area recently because somebody called on my vehicle with my license plate and reported it as a suspicious vehicle. Now, I'm not suspicious at all. Like, what? Do I look suspicious to you? Maybe. Maybe to some people I do. Either way, I think everybody should mind their business. I had a great night. I will update you guys on how this all goes when the time comes. Thank you for watching. I guess that's really it for this one. Till next time. Peace.